This 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3950BHR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a cotton interior, sleep 6, air conditioning, skylight, awning, Colorado Detector, water heater, LP detector, leveling jacks, oven, slideout, stove-top burner, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry-exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3950BHR is 14,054 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.